Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by collecting all materials on a clean table near an outlet. Use a 12-inch round mirror and a 3.5-inch high foam backing for depth. Select faux flowers that range from 1 to 3 inches across for layered texture. Get a 5V LED strip and a USB power cable for soft backlighting. Keep hot glue, floral wire, wire cutters, and a craft knife within reach. Protect the surface with cardboard and wear gloves when cutting foam edges. Trace a cloud outline onto the foam using the mirror as a guide. Cut the foam with a craft knife, leaving a 1-inch seam allowance on curves. Layer additional foam pieces and glue them to create volume and soft cloud contours. Reinforce seams with short lengths of floral wire for stability where glue joins. Adhere the 5V LED strip around the mirror edge and secure the USB cable so it remains accessible. Test the LEDs before attaching flowers. Trim faux flower stems to between 0.5 and 2 inches depending on desired depth. Arrange flowers on the foam backing starting with larger blooms in the center. Glue each bloom with hot glue and press for 10 seconds to set firm. Keep the LED diffusion path clear so lighting remains soft and even across petals. Finish edges with small filler flowers and faux greenery for seamless cloud edges. Mount the mirror using a keyhole hanger or French cleat rated for 15 pounds and connect the USB power safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.